The next one is called Dama. Dama is very connected to Sama. Dama means control of the senses. What that means? If you are not in control of the senses faculty or property is to pull your attention outward, okay, into the sensual world, into this objective world of names and forms that we found ourselves in. And the senses always pull us out. But if you follow the senses, then you would not be qualified to see the truth about yourself. You see what it says there? So therefore, you need to calm your senses down. Yeah? Not necessarily that you have to do completely, in the beginning, pratyahara, that is, withdrawing of the senses, but in that direction, you have to go toward that direction. Yeah? Less sensual stimulation. Okay? So if you meditate in Raja Yoga way, or you meditate in any way, you need to calm your mind down, or calm your senses down. Okay? You need to learn to withdraw, so that you'll be able to see the self. Okay? The sensual world will not deliver you the self. The sensual world will deliver you what? Objects of senses. Everything is object of senses. This is object of senses, object of senses. Gangadhara, you are object of my senses. Object. This whole universe is just object of senses. Okay? So if I don't want to see him as object of senses, I have to refer to something else, another faculty. Yeah? Because if I look outside, it's just an object. Yeah? And you can look at yourself also from outside. Instead of inhabit yourself and tuning to yourself, you just think that you are also an object. You think this is me. This is an object because I cut it away, throw it away. Right? You say this is me. No, it's an object. It's called hair. And you can dissect the different portion of the body. These are all objects. Yeah, my foot is an object. My leg is an object. Right? Everything is an object because it's not the subject. Okay? So what you want is go to the subject and don't identify with the object. Okay? And to do that, to go to the subject, you will have to control of the senses. Some level of control. Okay? Here in the ashram, you see it's very quiet here. There's only the frogs, the birds, right? That's it. There's nothing that stimulates the senses. We don't even have music. In some Indian ashrams, sometimes they have loud music. Here, nothing. And we teach people to do yoga asanas without music. Just very, very quiet. Very austere, somewhat. Right? The food that you eat is like rabbit food, not tasty, isn't? No? So that's because you're not yogis. You already add on the Ayurveda in there. And the yogis, they can be very austere. Okay?